Here we are looking at two proportion confidence intervals. We're comparing two groups now. These are still proportion problems. We have success, we have failure, but now we have two groups, group one and group two. And each group comes with their own statistics from a sample. We have number of successes in the sample, sample size, sample success rate, or sample proportion of success for each group, group one and group two. To make these problems easier, it's better if we always choose group one to be the group that has the higher success rate. If we do that, then our final sentence is always the same sentence. Our goal is to estimate the difference between the groups in the population. At the end of the day, I'm going to say something about the success rate in group one is between this and this higher than the success rate for group two. That's what we're always measuring, how much higher group one is than group two. Our confidence interval would be the observed difference. This is what the sample told us the difference was, plus or minus the margin of error. And then our final sentence will be something like, we are blank % confident that the proportion of whatever group one is, that whatever success is between blank and blank higher than the proportion of group two that was successful. If both of the numbers in our interval are positive, then we're pretty sure that group one does in fact have a higher success rate. Now, think about this for a second. If I get a negative number, we're always measuring how much higher group one is than group two. What's it mean to be negative higher? Negative higher would be lower. So if we get a negative and a positive number for our interval, then negative means group two might have been higher because group one is negative higher. A positive means group one was higher. So if we get a negative and a positive, we can't say for sure who was actually had the higher success rate. There's no clear winner. If we go through all the calculations in the calculator and we get two negative numbers, then we've goofed. We picked the wrong group one to begin with. We start over and make the other group group one.